Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Tanto Lailam from Universitas Muhammadiyah Yogyakarta. Today, I will share and explore my legal empowerment projects related advocacy for Muhammadiyah Yogyakarta leaders in promoting file justice public policy. This project submitted by Tanto Lailam from Faculty of Law Universitas Muhammadiyah Yogyakarta, Mr. Tunjung Sulaksono from Master of Government Science and Public Policy, and Universitas Muhammadiyah Yogyakarta, and Dr. Indah Nursanti Saleh from Faculty of Law, Universitas Ahmad Dahlan. Legal problems. Muhammadiyah is national Muslim societies. Muhammadiyah is progressive Islamic movements, Islam berkemajuan, whose presence provides real solution for national and local issue in Indonesia, related education case and political case, health case, and others. Muhammadiyah, or Central Board of Muhammadiyah, has established supporting unit pembantu pimpinan, namely Department of Politics and Public Policy, or Lembaga Hikmah dan Kebijakan Publik Pimpinan Pusat Muhammadiyah, has the function to advocate many issues related public policy and elections. Public policy advocacy is an activity carried out by groups or organizations, individuals, or collaboration individual and organizations, civil society organization to achieve a change in public policy or programs and to resolve a particular issue or problems in national and local issue. The method of legal empowerment programs conducting using Microsoft method that's focusing on experiential learning and active interaction between participants. And the best approach, the best practice approach and experience sharing among participants is very interesting in these programs. The result and discussion, public policy aim to maintain the critical thinking of Muhammadiyah member who are concerned with the national political issue in an elegant, civilized manner by research, community service, public policy, discussions, lobbying, and other activities and other model of advocacy. Public policy advocacy means is fostering political and legal awareness at every level of leadership of Muhammadiyah regarding local government policy that's related issue of public interest. Public policy advocacy must be based on the data. Data is very, very interesting for effective public policy advocacy. Pattern of distribution of policy advocacy issue by the organization at provincial, district, city levels. I think from for central board issue on national public policy and provincial level of Muhammadiyah leadership in Yogyakarta, I think focus on issue national or focus on issue provincial policy and other other levels. And then mapping and working of interest of public interest. I think it's very, very interesting how the manage stakeholder mappings in model of advocacy. But the mapping is very important to show that synergy and collaborations have clear objective and will share commitment. I think it's mapping of networking from Nahdlatul Ulama or non-government organization like environmental issue or environmental organization, public figure, and others. And then literacy-based public policy advocacy. Literacy-based public policy advocacy aims to build narrative of support for the people and the nations. For examples, research and service results, social media campaigns, opinion of the mass media, article, interview, and others, including making documentary films related to public policy issue in national or in local issue. The last of advocacy public policy by the Jihad Constitution. As the petition or submitting in Constitutional Court in Indonesia and Supreme Court in Indonesia. Can you see my slides? And then conclusion, the service programs is effort to improve the understanding and ability of Muhammadiyah member in Yogyakarta to advocate for the public policy issue, national public policy, local public policy, and reinforce commitment and synergy in promoting public policy that prioritizes the welfare states, welfare of people and nation. The public policy advocacy workshop seek to maintain the critical thinking of Kader Muhammadiyah, who is concerned the national political issue in Yogyakarta, in Indonesia, and then cultivates public and legal awareness at every level leadership regarding local government policy that related issue on tambang or lingkungan and others. And then the last, to strengthen the commitment among interest network and the commitment of political narrative to oppose public policy that divided from the law and the justice. This picture is a proof of the agenda. Can you see my slides? This speakers and participants is very active. And thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.